Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect PostgreSQL database server using psql command. Very simple and pretty easy to connect using Windows application. Now hit start button here and just simply type psql in the box where the search is available over here in beside of the Windows logo. And now see here SQL shell, it's showing psql. This app, once you click that initiating that app, it will ask you the server details like localhost. This is the system I'm going to connecting with the same my mission only for the demonstration. You simply hit localhost here, hit enter, and here you have to enter the database name is Postgres. That's the Postgres is the database server name. I have to hit same name is here. This is the basic and prerequisites where you have to follow to connect database PostgreSQL database server on every time. PostgreSQL. Postgre is sufficient here. Postgre, and here you have to hit the default port. We have used same default port only while installation of the PostgreSQL. Now you have to choose 5432 is a default port. I have hit the same and hit enter. And now the username I have chosen as a super user default username, the Postgres. Simply type Postgres here. Postgres, and now hit enter. It's important we have chosen the password while installation. We have to enter the password what we have chosen. I have simply chosen Postgres only. Postgres, hit enter. Now see here it's showing the console is connected with the PostgreSQL database. That is a very much pretty using Windows Mission to PostgreSQL database server. Now you will identify here, you have to hit the commands like databases, creating the PostgreSQL prompt it's showing that indicates means we have entered into the databases. Using if there is a database server environment we have moved. And here the architecture would be the database server may have multiple databases engines over here, like application e-commerce portal application is having one database, and sales, like sales means the marketing department will have one other database, and the registration some other application will have one more database, and completely different any other application for different client that may have a different database while developing and implementation stages. The same database server of PostgreSQL, we have multiple databases of different applications. For all this, we can use to \d2 space and database name. What is the database name we are created while creating the database to use to connect the database using this shell prompt. Create the database and creating of the tables and statements of DML and DDL and all. Watching this session, thank you. On the next session, we will see how to connect using pgadmin to our SQL database. In addition to using command prompt, we have a facility to run using GUI, that is a graphical user interface to completely operate our PostgreSQL database server. We'll see on next session. Thank you.